Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with an awesome video for you today. Now this is about weight loss and I'm going to show you guys how you can drop 40 pounds in 1 month. Now, don't come after me. You already know I'm against these fast, quick type of weight loss remedies and solutions, but this is all natural and you can lose 40 pounds drinking this drink consistently, all right? And the main ingredient that you're going to need for this powerful weight loss drink is chia seeds. All right, now I'm going to show you easy ways of implementing chia seeds into your drinks. Easy, quick drinks that's going to help to push off, get rid of all of those toxins, get rid of all of that crap inside your belly. And it's simple, easy. All right, I made a video regarding the chia seeds drink before, but I'm going to show you different variations of juices that you can also use for this. You can use any type of juice, apple juice, cranberry juice, and today we're using orange juice. All right, so let's start this video right now. Now, what you're going to do to start this off is you're going to be needing a half a cup of regular filtered water. You're also going to need your, if you have 100% squeezed orange juice, freshly squeezed, that's wonderful. If not, try to get as close as possible to organic or to natural. All right, and you're also going to need your chia seeds. Now what we're going to do is we're going to measure out 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and we're going to put that into our cup. Next, you're going to take your water and you're just going to pour it in your cup. All right, now we did this before and I told you what we're going to do next is we're going to let this hydrate. We're going to allow this to sit for an hour so that the chia seeds can have time to start swelling, and then when it starts swelling we'll come right back. So you can do this in the meantime of getting dressed in the morning. Come down in the morning, in a half a cup of water, put a tablespoon of your chia seeds, go back, finish getting ready for work, and then when you're almost ready, I'll show you what you can do before you get ready to walk out the door. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay. So it's been an hour later and our chia seeds have been swelling. Okay, they've hydrated. So what I'm going to do now is pour that into my blender cup. And now we're going to take a whole cup of orange juice. And this is going to give it such wonderful flavor. Okay, and we're going to throw that in there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a smoothie. Okay, so we're going to pop that on and we're going to make sure and pop this onto our blender and blend this up. So like I said, while the chia seeds are hydrating, you take your shower, you put your makeup on, you get yourself dressed, and when it's time for you to leave, you throw in your orange juice, your cup of orange juice, and blend it to go. So let's finish this up right now. You can put this in your travel mug you have, but for the sake of the video, I'm using this glass right here, okay? And this is delicious. Look how nice and creamy that is. This is going to fill you up. This is going to keep you full. It's full of fiber. It's going to suppress your appetite, and it's going to give you that detoxing effect. When you drink this, you're going to have to go, all right? So just to let you know, this is a powerful weight loss smoothie that you drink in the morning, and you're going to shed at least up to 40 pounds. You keep implementing chia seeds into your drinks. That's a wonderful way for you to lose that weight and that stomach fat. So let's try this right now. Here we go. Very smooth, very creamy, frothy. You taste the orange juice, you don't taste any chia seeds, and it's refreshing. Like I said, this is going to help you to get rid of 40 pounds in a month. You make this every day and you got a powerful weight loss smoothie. This is going to also fill you up so you're not eating as much. So implement your chia seeds into your drinks, you guys. If you want to shed weight, slim down, get rid of that fat, those fat cells, this is what you do. Very good, you guys. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button down below, and I got more video ideas for you as far as weight loss, slimming down, getting ready for the summer. All right, so thank you so much for joining me, and until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.